and to yes, that is this small fruit like
Here, come closer to me.
so berry, you mean to say the berry helps or assist
Let me show.
our digestion
Let,
to
Let me
improve.
show your viewers.
So he is
Yes.
plucking
These are berry.
berries, and all, I think all are half ripened
Let me
and one is
test it.
full,
Let me
and
test
he's
it.
testing it. So I think it is yummy. I don't know.
Mashallah.
It is yummy.
Very
So you,
tasty.
yes, and the flavor is yum. Actually flavor मतलब स्वाद, yum means that is also स्वादिष्ट. और एक और word है that is called delicious. So उसके
Delicious.
भी use करते हैं खाने के लिए. By the way, so he is amid the bushes. वो bushes यानी झाड़ियों के बीच है, and also plucking some more fruit. कुछ और भी fruit तोड़ रहे हैं. Okay, so I think he is bringing.
Already have plucked some berries and plucked.
Yeah, he has already plucked some ripened and unripened berries and eating like a
Let's
camel.
practice with me in English. Small sentences. This is a small berries. Okay, so I took it and I'm eating. I'm chewing.
And he's, I think, the entire berry, including the seed, and
Yes.
is swallowed.
No, no.
निकल ली है.
I did not swell.
Okay, three of
Okay.
these. Okay,
Yes, you can see. Now two are remaining.
he's eating,
What I'm doing?
chewing.
Chewing. Okay. What I'm doing?
Yes, he's dropping.
The berry.
Yes,
Yes.
onto the palm.
Next, say in English.
He's dropping.
Say
Yeah,
it is berry.
yeah.
Okay, I took it.
He picked it up.
Yes.
Yes. Now eating.
Now eating.
Yes, and it works in the
Yes. So
digestion.
please, if you try to speak English language, follow these steps. Whatever you do in your daily life, say in English language. For example, I'm taking off my shoes. For example, you can see. Okay, I'm putting on my shoes like this. Okay, I'm sitting on my bike. I'm taking my keys. Come closer.
Yeah, he's taking his
Actually,
keys
I'm teaching
out.
small sentences. Your beginners.
So,
Switching on
yeah.
my bike. Okay.
The bike is on now,
Now I'm starting. You can
and
see.
we
You can see here. Sure. This is a starting button.
so now
So now I'm pressing to start.
now it is started. Now we are going. Thank you all of you. Bye.